Welcome to In the Kitchen with Tim on location. So today you'll notice that I am not in my kitchen. I am in cousins Ron and Lori's kitchen in Denver, Colorado. So welcome to Denver. So today I have to make a salad for a party that we're going to. So I'm doing something that's very quick and easy. Like I said, always for me, quick and easy is the best way to go. And this one is easy to do wherever you are because there's very little cooking involved. And actually, to say the truth, if you don't want to put the pasta in it, you don't have to. So for those of you that remember back to the steakhouse days, and we'll go back to a steakhouse that has the buffet in it without giving away its name, it had a crab salad on that buffet. And when I mean crab salad, I mean crab with the K. Not real crab. This is this crab salad. All right. So it's sweet. It's creamy. It has that fish unctuousness without it being real crab at this moment. So this is what we start with, is a crab that is broken up. So now there are people who will take this crab out of this bag and just plop it in the bowl, put the dressing on it, and call it good. I like it broken up. I don't like the big chunks in it. So I will actually break up the crab. So it's pretty easy to do. So this is actually just flavored cod is all it is. So I just break it up so it comes in nice little shreds like that. I use two 12-ounce packages when I do this. Actually, to tell you the truth, when I make this at home for family, this is a must at family events. Niece Lauren and brother-in-law Dale, I have to make a whole separate batch just for them because they will eat the entire thing. So I introduced this into family events probably 15. Let's see, how old's Lauren? Lauren's 24, so probably 20 years ago I introduced this, and it became a family favorite and is a staple at all. Let's see, I got it all. Oh, there's a little chunk in there. Okay, so at all of our holiday events. So it can be elegant, it can be just a salad snack with crackers, honestly. Shane likes it with crackers, so there we go. It's all busted up there. So the ingredients are simple. Get rid of this crab. So this is cooked pasta. This cooked pasta. It is the Acini de Pepe. It's the tiny little things, and you can't use a regular strainer with it because it's these little pearls. So we want to make sure that we put those, we break them up a little bit, drain it very well. The reason I do this is because it stretches the pasta. Stretches the salad. So by adding pasta, it gives a little more volume, a little extra chew, something different. So let's get it. So let's break it up. I always make sure that my pasta is cool before it goes in. So, there, okay, stuck to me. There. So, and towel, have to have it. Anthony, thank you. Yes, always have a towel with me when I cook. Now, I am one of those people that will incorporate every component into my salad as I use it, or as I put it in. So, pasta and crab go together. Now, celery is the only other thing that goes into this. So we have the crab that is soft, we have the pasta that is soft, and now we have the celery, which has the crunch. I cheated. I bought pre-cut, pre-washed celery. I'm traveling. I'm going to cheat. All right? Don't judge me. Here we go. So when I do this here, get that out of the way, I want bite-sized pieces. So, sticks, little sticks of celery. When all is said and done, this will probably be about 4 stalks of celery is what you want. So they have this broken up probably about 3 pieces, 3 former stock, 3 pieces per stock. So what do I have? 4, maybe 5, depending on your love of celery. Again, diced, bite-sized pieces. You don't want a whole chew on celery and the fiber. So there's that. Let's see, I'm going to go with just a few more. The thing about salads is you add or take away how much you like. So if your family are not big celery eaters, just put a little bit in it, but you must have the crunch. So, and honestly, to tell you the truth, I have never found a substitute for celery in this salad that I like. So, it's celery, folks. All right. One more. Oops. Again, dry off all your celery before you cut it up. You only want the moisture of the dressing in your salad. There's that. There you go. Nice skills. Woo! So I got a new set of knives for Christmas and I don't get to use them. So just yet. So I have to be careful. I am a bit of a klutz. So well, funny story. We were joking about me cutting myself with my new knives because of a bit of a klutz, and I was cutting open a roll, and I did nick myself already with the new knives. So gotta be careful. All right, incorporate. Now, the dressing for this is is not an exact science. I wish I could say exactly 1 cup mayo, exactly 1 cup sour cream. It depends on the wetness level of your crab, how much dressing you like. You obviously do not want to drown this in anything, so you want it to be, whoops, there it went. Let's go back there. All right, sorry. All right, dressing. Again, I'm going to mix it just right in my bowl. So, salt to taste, pepper to taste. I like a little more pepper. The salt is up to you and your doctor. Real mayo, not Miracle Whip, Sour cream, about a cup of that. Sugar, it's a little sweet. We have Cajun seasoning. Again, up to you how spicy you would like it. If you don't want Cajun seasoning, if you want to go directly for cayenne, that's fine. Not too much. You don't want that to be the dominant flavor in this. I'll get to that in a second. A little garlic salt. So those are your savories right there. Then we get celery salt. We need to have a little bit of that extra woody component. Celery salt, celery seed, and then poppy seed. Most people say it's just for decoration, but it does add a little bit to the flavor. So I need to stir that. All right, I'm missing a spatula. All right. So I start light with my sour cream, and then I add as I need it. So I'm going to go with about a half a container, and again, this is an 8-ounce container of sour cream. So that was about 2/3. All right, and then I'm going to go, get off there. I know, don't get on me about sour cream and mayonnaise in the same jar. It's my jar. I can do with it what I want. So I like sour cream and mayonnaise together. All right, so there's that. That's about a cup, a little more. Let's set that to the side. Sugar. Depending on how sweet you'd like it, we're probably going to go with about 1/8 of a cup. So 3 tablespoons. 2, 3 to start. Come back to that. Cajun. I like to see, I do this on the white right here so I can see the color of it. So I want to do just a little bit, add a little heat, not much. We have, I have people eating this that I don't know their tolerance level for that, so I don't want to go too heavy. So, celery salt, what is that, about a half a tablespoon. Again, you can add as much as little as you like. So I'm going to go celery salt. I know, salt, salt, salt. There's a lot of salt. Well, this is a fish dish. Crab doesn't have any seasoning in it, so it can handle quite a bit. Plus you've got bland sour cream, bland mayonnaise. You can do all that. So celery seed, another tablespoon, right, like that. It gives it that woody flavor. Now, this last one, poppy seed, I will add at the end. So to me, it has a dominant flavor, and I don't want to taste it right now because I want to taste the dressing. I do a mix on the top like this, get everything creamed up. Now, if you wanted to do a little taste right now, you could, but I incorporate first. Ooh, pepper. I'm gonna sneeze. Maybe, maybe not. All right. So, because this is crab, this is fish and pasta, it will drink up this dressing. So, it might look wet in the beginning, but get it all incorporated because that pasta, even, especially if that pasta is even just a little bit warm, it'll soak it all right up. All right. So, all right. This is where the fun part comes. So, I memorized where things were in this kitchen, so I knew I didn't have to hunt. All right. So let's look. Let's taste. Big bite. Crab, pasta. A little crunch from the celery. Needs a little sugar. Yeah, needs a little sugar. And if I weren't going to a party, it would need more cayenne for me. So it's only got just a tiny bit in the back of the throat. So a little salt heavy. So we're going to go with about another 1/8 of a cup. To ensure, all right, for you purists, I'm using the back of the fork. Oh, much better. Much, much better. That sweetness helps the crab. Sorry. So much more. Alright, so I'm going to put it in its traveling container now because even if I do add to it, it'll be a small mix and I won't have to worry about messing it up too much. So, right. So this will go in a nice bowl. Get a nice chill on it before you serve it. Right now, you can still taste all the individual components of it, but seriously, after an hour, it will marry and whew. So, what I'm looking for when I taste in about an hour or two is the continued sweetness. I can do the mayo and the sour cream, but if not, if I did it right, it's perfect right now. So I'll put it on a lid. So this is your crab salad with a K, and I hope you enjoy. I will see you again in the kitchen with Tim, probably back in Nebraska. Have a good one. Thanks.